seeds are almost ready. We'll be uprooting them soon, then just putting them in the shade as we wait for the rains. So a few beds are already dry. I'm sure by this month end we should start uprooting them. This is red onion, red Crayola. And here we just made these nurseries I think a month ago. This is white onion. So this is what we were doing this year. Almost a neck of nurseries. We want to try out onions and see how it goes from there. Now these will be ready by rain season. By the time the rains start, they'll be ready. They actually grow faster than the red ones. So we had started with the red ones. These are the nurseries we did first, and the last ones we did the white ones. It's been a good harvest. At least we have nice bulbs that have formed for the sets, which shouldn't give us a challenge when we plant them when the rains start. So we have most of the bulbs at this size, average. Most of them are this size, but we have bigger sizes also. So this is just the hardening process. That's why the plants are looking like this. So we were hardening them. These ones are not yet ready, but they should be ready by mid-November. As you can see, most of them are already drying out, which are signs of them reaching maturity.